Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
Myiesha, also a beauty director.
And I have to say, we've been killing it with these fragrance videos, yo.
Yes, I have so many. My
I know you've been catching feels. We need to get you in some of these because I know you're so passionate about fragrance. So we have you back to help us talk about this new category that we're launching at Sephora, which is really awesome. So Sephora is busting fragrance into a new genre or an existing genre, but just kind of shedding some more light on it. So we're looking at clean fragrances now.
Yeah, and it doesn't mean that we haven't always offered clean fragrances. Like Jeffrey said, we're showcasing them more. And I feel like these are really great if you want to be very conscious about your purchases, if you maybe have allergies and maybe you wrote off fragrances in the past because you feel like everything's too strong. These are just some really great options that are free of things that you cannot pronounce.
So basically, it's all the same quality of fragrance that you love, just formulated without ingredients that you may not want, which is really, really cool.
Yeah, no compromise on quality.
So I say we should jump right into it and get to smelling. I love that.
Get to smelling. Okay, so the first one we have, I think, is really cool. If you sort of maybe you're thinking about donating a little extra money to charity or something, but you want to buy yourself something nice, this is the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods. So everything that's in this fragrance is sourced through fair trade agreements. Anytime they use farmers to source, which is really cool because it just makes me feel really good when I wear something and I know it's, being put to good use.
So it's like a fragrance that gives back. I love that.
So I purposely didn't smell all of these so I could surprise myself because I'm such a fragrance junkie.
So this one is what? Vanilla?
So this has vanilla, a little bit of pear in it.
You can definitely smell that it's a spicier kind of vanilla. I'm thinking like maybe
there's some
more
amber in there.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah.
So really, really nice. I would say if you want something that's really creamy and very sort of like reminds you of home. I know vanilla is very popular because it reminds you of your mommy baking cookies and things like that.
Yeah.
This is a really nice, but it almost smells like an oil, if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
It smells really luxurious like an oil. It doesn't feel like light, like it's going to evaporate like a very like lightweight fragrance.
Nice.
So nice.
Okay, so first up, this one is going to be tough for me to pronounce, but I'm going to give it a go.
That's why I gave it to you.
Maison Louis Marie.
Okay.
And this fragrance is called No. 4, and it's called Bois de Balancourt. All of their fragrances are actually oils, which is really, really nice. So you can actually give this one a rub on your body. Now, whenever you're using these fragrances, of course, since it's an oil, you're going to get a super high concentration and a super long wear on this fragrance, which is really, really nice. And again, it's all naturally sourced
really nice.
and derived ingredients, which is really, really beautiful. Now, Bois de Balancourt is a beautiful woody blend. So it's got sandalwood, cedarwood. And what's really cool about the box is that all the notes are right on the front, too. So if you're shopping in store and you want to know what's in it, it's right there for you.
And I feel like perfume oils are always really great gifts. Like my mom loves a good perfume oil. She thinks I'm spending extra money on her or something because it's just very luxurious and it lasts a really long time. And just the packaging, I think it's a really beautiful gift.
Yeah, it's the perfect size, I think, for a purse or, if you're going on travel and vacation and you want something that's going to last a long time but still give you a beautiful fragrance, this is definitely what's up. Love it.
Okay, so my next one we have here is the 7 Virtues Peace Blend Box. So I love a good fragrance set, and I love something that's small and travel friendly because I like to reapply my fragrance. I love a good set. I feel like it's great for someone as a gift because you don't always know exactly what they want, or they don't know exactly what they want, better yet. And it has a couple different fragrances. I'm really into the grapefruit lime. I feel like that smells really good. There's rose amber, orange blossom, and then same thing as the other one. All fair trade agreements, locally sourced things. They all help whoever's farming it, so it's just something really good. A really great thing if maybe you want to give someone a gift that's very thoughtful, I would say.
It even says on the box like what each fragrance kind of promotes. Like some of them promote like financial assistance. Some of them promote peace efforts. So not only are you promoting peace externally in the world, you're also promoting internal peace when you smell the fragrance.
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah, so this is a new brand to me, so I think I'm really going to get into this.
So
this
gorgeous.
is really nice.
And I love these little travel sets because they're always really great to carry with you on a plane or whatever, and then you can kind of layer and custom blend your own, which is really nice.
Yes, and we'll get to that in a second. So what do
Stay
you have?
tuned. Okay. So next up, we have a brand that is not new to Sephora. This is actually a brand that's been around for a while in Sephora.
My mom collects those.
Clean is amazing. So this is Clean Reserve. So it's a subsidiary of Clean Fragrances. And basically, all of the ingredients in here also are sustainably sourced, including the eco-friendly packaging.
Okay.
So this is all made from recycled glass. You've got sustainable wood where they actually replant forests and trees where they pull the wood from, which is really, really awesome.
Can I see the box?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, oh, gorgeous.
Okay, so this is what
pretty.
you look for, these nice boxes that are like a good weight too. So they also are really nice gifts. And I feel like clean fragrances, I think the reason my mom likes them so much is because you can layer them so nicely because they're already light, but they're still substantial enough to sort of like lay on their own. But they're really great things to put on with a body butter that's maybe a little bit fruitier with something that's like nice and clean. Men like them too. They're very unisex.
Yeah, for the most part, they're really kind of like fresh, non-invasive fragrances. Like this one is really great. This one's warm cotton, and this is the specific reserve blend. So they actually area of control where they get the cotton from, which is really, really cool.
Right. A watery musk.
Yeah. Which one? That one? That one's rain. Oh my God, that is beautiful.
That's
it literally smells like earth after a fresh rain. Like that is amazing.
Yeah, whenever I get my hair done, my hairstylist has some sensitivities, so now I have some fragrances I can wear that don't bother her.
This one smells so good. It's just really clean.
Which one?
Like this warm cotton one, it literally smells like, you know, fresh.
This smells like
fresh laundered linens.
Yeah, after I'm done cleaning my house. That's what I was gonna say, like how it's supposed to smell,
or
devoid
like
of chemicals.
Yes, or like when you get in your bed and you just wash the sheets. So good. Love that smell. Okay, cool. So what do you have next?
Okay, so this one I'm really intrigued by. So this is a brand that's new to me as well. This is ELLIS Brooklyn, and this is the Adventure Fragrance Layering Set. So I think what's really cool about this, instead of just having like a bunch of their signature fragrances and telling you to layer them, they have 3 of their signatures. So they have Myth, Sci-Fi, and Rose, and then they have single note fragrances for you to layer, which is really smart. So tuberose, mandarin, and patchouli. And on the website, on their product page, they even have some recipes for you to sort of play with.
Oh, cool.
But yeah, I think this is really cool. I feel like I'm gonna use this up in like a week and want more of it because I'm just gonna keep layering and experimenting and playing with things.
If you notice, the sci-fi is actually kind of used a little bit. I'm like kind of going in on it. I'm really obsessed. I love it. It smells really good.
Okay, your favorites is sci-fi. Let's see.
I love that. I'm wearing it already, but maybe I'll layer it with a different one this time. So nice. This one's really like fresh, but then it's got a sweetness to it, so it smells sort of like clean. Again, futuristic. I get that vibe.
Yeah,
sci-fi.
The rose one is like very.
Let me smell.
I know the website says sparkly, which I can kind of like smell that too. But also, again, not as creamy as the first one with the vanilla woods, but still like a creamy, sparkly sort of scent to
like
it.
An effervescent rose cocktail.
Exactly,
if you
effervescent.
will. Love that. So, you know I had to take this one because I got to represent my hometown. Woo woo. So the next brand that we have is called Phlur, and they're actually based in Austin, Texas, which you know, love, gotta represent, like I said. Now, the cool thing about Phlur is, again, they're really focused on formulating without certain ingredients. So on the box, you'll see that it lists the ingredients, and then you can go to the website and actually break down what the fragrance notes are and see literally the clinical term for each fragrance note, which is really cool.
And which one is this?
This brand is called Phlur, and this fragrance is called HANAMI, and it's really all about kind of like that fresh, floral,
it
aquatic.
Does smell really good.
Yeah, but it does have a little bit of a warmth to it. So I feel like of all the fragrances...
It's aquatic, but it's not watery.
Right.
That makes sense. It's substantial.
It's light, but you feel like it's going to do something.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so I feel like it's probably one of the most versatile fragrances that we smelled today. I think it's really like it could go in any direction kind of because, again, you've got the coolness of the aquatic, the freshness of the floral, and a little bit of the warmth from like some ambery musky notes.
It's very unisex.
Very, very beautiful. And they also have this cool little discovery set, which is nice. And then inside, you're going to get 3 fragrances. You get Hanami, which is the one that we discussed. You're going to get Sandara. And then you also get Olmsted and Vaux. And something that I love is it says, before you indulge, scent takes time to unfold. All that matters is what you like. So it's really important to they're just kind of reminding you what fragrance is all about. It's about something that's personalized, something for you, and definitely now we have a clean option for it as well, which is really cool.
Luxurious box.
I love it. Definitely a beautiful gift, for sure. Thank you, Phlur. Gorgeous.
All right, so the last one I have for myself, also a new brand to me, which I'm excited because now I have like 7 new fragrances out of my collection. And this one is called by Rosie Jane, and this is LEILA Lou, which is just a cute name. I feel like that has has to be like someone important to her in her life.
Has to
like
be.
a daughter or
For
something
sure,
like that.
for sure.
I'll research that. So this is a fragrance that's meant to be worn every day. It's light and it's fresh. It has fresh grass, pear, jasmine. I really actually love pear. Sometimes I eat pears just to smell them.
Pear, I mean, delicious.
So nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
The fresh grass isn't so overpowering where it feels like too green. It just feels really subtle, very feminine.
Mm-hmm. And there's almost like this dryness to it that's really subtle. And so like when you're smelling it, you get the pear, you get the juiciness. And then as it kind of finishes off, there's a dryness, which I really, really like. Almost like a good wine.
Yeah, and they have this bottle, and they also have a really cute travel size that I might look into as well, just so I can kind of keep it with me, because I feel like this is a scent that'll change throughout the day in a good way. So I'm excited about this one.
Cool. Awesome. So hopefully that sparked your interest and brought to your attention some newer brands that we're carrying at Sephora. Also, kind of open your mind to the whole clean category that we've always offered.
I feel like it'll definitely open your eyes up to some things that maybe you didn't know existed. What I really like about these sort of clean fragrances too is the additive of a lot of natural essential oils. So it's really cool because that makes your fragrance last a lot longer on the skin. So you're gonna get that light fragrance that maybe you're craving, and I hear people say all the time, this is not gonna last very long on me, but these are gonna last a really long time on you. They're gonna melt into your body chemistry. It's really good.
So I really love that Sephora is kind of, championing this clean category and really making it transparent and easy for clients like yourself to navigate. Be sure to stop by a store and check out the clean assortment that we have. We've really definitely curated a lot of really cool new brands, and it's across all worlds. So it's not just fragrance. You're gonna see a lot of newness in skincare, color, and hair care as well. So if you're excited about the clean at Sephora, be sure to check out the animation.
Yes, and if you already have some favorites that I showcased today, please tell me how you like to wear them, because I need to make some purchasing decisions and get a few of these. And as always, subscribe to our channel.
And ring the bell.
Yeah,
ring the bell.
You can see us like smelling on your phone, like a little text message. So we'll see you guys next time.
Ciao for now.
Bye.
Bye.